First, open ChatGPT on your iPad. Then, enter the following prompt. Create a realistic scenario where I need to send out personalized letters using pages and numbers. The scenario should include a clear purpose, for example, invitations, fundraising, customer updates. Provide at least 3 scenarios to choose from and suggest possible headings for a dataset. We'll wait just a moment while ChatGPT works on this. It's going to come up with a few practical scenarios for using personalized letters, plus some dataset headings we can use later. It should only take a few seconds to load. Next, we'll pick one of the scenarios and copy its dataset headings into separate columns in numbers. Before we do that, I'll provide you with a list of your classmates' names and email addresses already set up in a numbers file. You can download a copy through the link in our Fuel course. Once you've opened it, simply add the remaining dataset headings to the next available columns. For this demo, I'll be using Scenario 2, the Customer Appreciation Event. I'll take the suggested dataset headings from that scenario and copy them into numbers so we can start setting up our table. I'm now copying the dataset headings. This only takes a moment, and once it's done, we'll have the basic structure ready to work with. To access the provided numbers file, go to our Fuel course and look for the topic Applied Productivity Tools with Advanced Techniques. Under that section, find the post titled Mail Merging Files. Clicking on it will either open your Google Drive app or launch a new browser tab. From there, download the file that corresponds to your section only. Please note that each file is password protected. I'll be sharing the password for your section through Google Chat. Save the file using the Files app and make sure to set the location to numbers. Once that's done, click Save, then open the file in Numbers. Enter the password provided and you'll be ready to start adding the dataset headings. Open the Files app and navigate to the Numbers folder. Then, open the data file and enter the provided password. Inside the file, you will see the existing columns for last name, given name, and email. To add new information, find an empty cell to the right of these columns and paste the copied dataset headings. The copied text is in a listed formatting. Instead of pasting the copied dataset headings, which may cause formatting issues, manually type the new headings into the succeeding columns. Once this step is complete, we will refine the next process to make copying and pasting additional data easier. Change the format of the text headings into Arial font style and of font size 12. Delete the headings in these cells. Now we can start generating random data. To do that, copy all the data under the last name column. We will be using this as a sort of reference for the data generation via ChatGPT. Remember, what we need are the rest of the data of the last 4 columns. After copying, open once again ChatGPT. Paste the last names and type in this prompt. Create a list of data, street address, city, discount code, and favorite product. These data are random and separate the data according to their category. Don't list them in a listed formatting so I can copy and paste them easily in the table. For street address, don't add the city name. Make sure the addresses are in the Philippines. To get started, it's as simple as copying the data under each heading, street address, city, discount code, or favorite product, and pasting it directly into the numbers sheet under the same column name. That's it. Now here's where the real magic happens. Once your data set is in numbers, you can take advantage of Mail Merge. Mail Merge is a game changer. Instead of manually typing information into every document, it lets you pull data directly from your spreadsheet and automatically personalize letters, labels, or even email drafts. What makes this even more powerful today is that you don't need a desktop to do it. With an iPad, you can prepare your dataset, connect it to Pages, and run a mail merge workflow anywhere. Imagine creating 100 unique letters or certificates in just a few taps, all personalized with names, addresses, and even discount codes without retyping anything. This efficiency used to be limited to offices with desktop setups, but now it's in your hands on mobile devices. It saves time, reduces errors, and gives you polished professional results in minutes. So while copying and pasting gets the data in place, mail merge is what turns that data set into something truly useful. Fast, mobile, and effortless. Now to generate the letter template, type in this prompt in ChatGPT. Make a customer invitation letter for a bakery's 5th anniversary event. Use placeholders with question marks to match the dataset columns. 1 question mark for the first column, last name. 2 question marks for the second column, given name. 3 question mark for the third column, email. And the number of question mark continues until the 7th column, favorite product, with 7 question marks. Include all placeholders in the letter.
Copy the generated letter template and then open the Pages app. Click Start Writing to open a blank document. Paste the copied text and do some formatting changes. Here, you need to select all the text and click the Format settings, the paint icon, and look for the paragraph style. Change the default format into a body format. Do some minor changes with the spacing to make it pass a standard letter style. Then check out all the question marks. These are your placeholder where you connect the data from your data set. Let's start the connection by placing the cursor to the very first set of question marks from the topmost part of the letter. Since I can see 1 question mark, it represents the first column of our dataset, last name. But we need to create necessary adjustments because it is wrongly placed by ChatGPT. What we want here is standard given name, then last name format. So we will be connecting this 1 question mark to the second column, given name. To start off, delete this 1 question mark, then click the triple dot icon located in the upper right of the Pages app and select Mail Merge. There is no data available yet, so click the plus sign to add merge fields from the dataset. Select Add Spreadsheet, and this will open your Files app and choose the Numbers data file. Click Done afterwards. Then do the process again, but this time we can now click the plus sign to add the given name. Do necessary changes and make sure to read the letter template so that the letter will make sense if added with the placeholders. Continue with the rest of the question marks for parts with brackets. Add a random connected data to it if needed. Once again, please do change the template as much as needed. After replacing all the placeholders with the corresponding dataset headings, you will see the highlighted text that will be replaced when we do the mail merging in the next step. So without further ado, click the Merge button and wait for it to process. You can also check the preview for the data recorded in the template. After a few seconds, the merge is done and it prompted you to either to open the file or maybe not now. You can check the output by clicking the Open. Let's do that and scroll the details. Everyone is covered and properly personalized accordingly. We are now done. Yay!